Hey everybody, it's Erin and I'm here today to share with you a smoothie of mine called the Smooth Skin Detox Smoothie. And all of my smoothie recipes and any of my recipes will help your skin, but this one is kind of extra special because it has a little secret ingredient that we'll get to in a minute, along with a bunch of other superfoods that I talk about a lot. I want to just tell you ahead of time, if you want more recipes that will really help your skin and help to detoxify your body and just make you feel better, make your skin look amazing, be sure to check the link below for my Youth Method Detox. I'll have that after the live is done, but it's full of amazing recipes like this. So let's get on to the recipe. So what you're going to start with is 1.5 cups of almond milk. So I already have that in my blender cup here. And then this has a bunch of other great superfoods that I talk about a lot, like berries, because berries are amazing fruits because they're lower in sugar, but yet they have amazing amounts of antioxidants, which really help with inflammation. So your skin's gonna look amazing, you're gonna have great energy, you're just gonna have better digestion, better immunity. And then the other favorite one I have in here, which I talked about a couple weeks ago, is the raw cacao, which is just raw cocoa powder. It's just amazing. It's full of anti-inflammatory benefits, and it tastes so good. So those are the other two main ingredients in here. But then my secret ingredient is collagen powder. And a lot of people put collagen on their skin, whether it's in their skin products, but when you put it inside your body through food, it's just gonna be so much more beneficial for you. And a lot of people ask me what ones I use. There's a bunch of different ones out there. I really like the Great Lakes unflavored gelatin. It doesn't taste like anything, so you can put it in your smoothies, you can put it in your coffee, you can put it in gravy, you can put it in whatever you want to put it in, and you get all the benefits of collagen powder. So not only will your skin look amazing, it can actually, it has these particular amino acids that are especially beneficial to help improve the elasticity of your skin. Who doesn't want that? And which can obviously help reduce the signs of aging and improve the texture of your skin. And it also really helps to improve your joint health too. The other great benefits, there's so many, is it helps improve digestion, and it's just another great protein source. So if you're suffering from getting enough protein in your diet, this is a great way to do it with all those other benefits I already talked about. And about 1 tablespoon of this has about 6 grams of protein. So just to let you know a little fact there. Okay, so let's get on to making the recipe. So like I said, we have 1.5 cups of almond milk. And then you're gonna add to that 1 scoop of unsweetened chocolate protein powder. So I'm gonna put that right in there. And then we're gonna do, I have 1/4 cup frozen blueberries and 1/4 cup strawberries. I just kind of combined them all together. So I like mine frozen. If you don't use frozen, then you want to be sure to put some ice in this after, if you like it nice and icy like me. So you've got that, and then you've got that other amazing superfood that I love, which is raw cacao. We've got about 1 tablespoon of this, so you'll just put that right in there. And then the secret ingredient, it's not secret anymore, but the collagen powder. So this is 1 tablespoon as well. So this is gonna be a 6 extra grams of protein, which is great. And then all of those other amazing skin benefits and joint benefits and digestion benefits. So we're gonna put that in there, and I think that's it. I'm gonna mix it up so it'll be just a little bit noisy for a second. To have my fun glass. It's basically just like, it tastes like a chocolate milkshake because you've got the raw cacao in there, you've got the chocolate protein powder, you have the sweetness from the berries and the almond milk, and then you've got the extra protein and amazing skin benefits from the collagen powder. So I'm just gonna pour that up, and as you can see, doesn't that look delicious? And so you get to have like a chocolate milkshake with all of those amazing skin benefits. I'm going to take a sip. It's delicious. and stuff that you can get. Oh, and if you're wondering where you can get this, a lot of the grocery stores, my grocery store has this, but they also sell it on Amazon.com. They sell it on Thrive Market, a bunch of different places that you can get this. And I think I've told you, same thing with the raw cacao. You can get those usually in your grocery store, but if not, Amazon has it. So, all right. So again, for more recipes like this, make sure you check out my Youth Method Detox, and you will love all the recipes. They're going to really help detox your body, reset your metabolism, balance your hormones. That's a big problem for a lot of us, and just give you a clearer, younger looking skin. And a lot of my recipes do use the collagen, which really helps just fortify your skin and your joints from the inside out rather than putting it on your skin. So, and it's funny because my husband and I were on vacation last week or about a week and a half ago. And of course, you know, you overindulge on vacation. So I'm actually doing the Youth Method Detox right now. We usually do it 3 to 4 times per year because it's just a good whole body reset. So highly recommend that you check it out. I'll put the link below, and I'll also put the yummy recipe link below so you can check it out. And I will see you next time.